Hey guys, I'm Shruti and this is my new YouTube channel. And my first video is on MCQs of differential equation. So guys, please subscribe my channel and share it as much as you can. So the first question is, order of differential equation corresponding to family of curves y is equals to a e to the power 2x plus b e to the power 2x is. So in this question, as there are two arbitrary constants, so we have to differentiate twice. So the order of differential equation is 2. In the next question, the order of the differential equation corresponding to the family of curves y is equals to c x minus c whole square, where c is constant is. In this question also, we have one arbitrary constant, so the order is 1. In third question, the degree of differential equation dy by dx plus sine dy by dx is equals to x is not defined. So we have to tell whether it is true or false. So guys, remember that an equation can never be represented as a polynomial of derivatives. So this statement is true. The degree of this differential equation is not defined. Now question number 4 is, if p and q are the degree and order of differential equation this, then what is the value of 2p minus 3q? So guys, in this question, you can see that the degree, which is p, is 1, as the power of d3y by dx cube is 1, and the order is 3. So 2p will be 2 into 1, which is 2, and 3q will be 9. So 2p minus 3q is minus 7. So option B is the correct answer. Now question number 5 is the degree of the differential equation 1 plus dy by dx whole cube is equals to dy by dx square is. So guys, in this question we have to expand this equation. After expanding, we will get this equation, and the exponent of highest order derivative is 3. So the answer is option number C. In sixth question, again we have to find the degree of the differential equation. In this question, we will use the concept of question number 3. Means an equation can never be represented as a polynomial of derivatives. So in this question also, degree is not defined. So option B is the correct answer. In seventh question, the order of the differential equation of all the circles of given radius 4 is. So as the circle is arbitrary, means h comma k means two arbitrary constants. So we have to differentiate twice to eliminate h and k. So order of this differential equation is 2. So option B is the correct answer. In question number 8, the degree of the differential equation, this is not defined. This is true or false. So this equation is false, as this equation can be written as this, and it can be written as a polynomial of derivatives. So the answer is false. Question number 9, write the degree of the differential equation this. So here the answer is clearly 1, as the power of d2y by dx square is 1. And in 10th question, what is the degree of the differential equation this? So in this question, degree is 3, as the power of d2y by dx square is 3. So guys, I'll be bringing more videos to you. So please like, share and subscribe as much as you can. Thank you so much.